Alright, so sometimes what you want to do is you will want to find the square root of a number. So in the case of this number here, number 9, we know that the square root would be 3. But with larger values, it may be quite difficult to find what the square root of the value is. And that's why we have the square root function. So to use that function, all we do is click in the cell D4, we type in equals, and the function name is called SQRT, square root, round brackets of C4, round bracket, hit enter, and you can see the square root of this particular cell is 3. So if we typed in the number 64, hit enter, we know the square root of 64 is 8, and that's the value we get into D4. So it's very simple. If we want to find the square root of something, we simply go equals SQRT for square root, round brackets, and then the cell address. Very simple process.